Hello, income dreamers. Today we are going to bring five new stocks for the week of February 16th. I believe there's a chance anyway we can make anywhere between 3 to 5% on these stocks for next week. So I'm not pumping these stocks at all. We don't believe in pumping at all here at our channel. And I'm just going to show you guys the what we are looking at the chart and what we are seeing, and then where it can go from here. So let's go one by one. So the first chart is Baidu. Baidu is releasing their results on Tuesday 18th evening. Um, this is an amazing stock. I've been holding for almost 3 years. I didn't sell a single stock. At the highs, I believe the heights were at 280 or 290. Let me show you guys. Let me go to weekly chart here. Even at 360. So I have so much of Baidu stock I bought here, and I can show you guys next time when I have an opportunity to share with you guys. It went all the way for 360 or 356, and then it came down all the way to $79. So what we are seeing here is Baidu is going to release their results, and I believe in April their early chart board, they're making it free, and overall all the Chinese stocks are looking great. If you look at Baba, okay, let me see if I can bring Baba here. Yeah, it is coiling up. If you see here, I don't even know if this is one, two, three. Uh, it's going up and up. Even Baidu will be a good spot to buy. So let's see if I can drive 5-year chart here. So let's see if one, two, three, four, five. Let me take this. So it's in a three-wave chart, the best wave to be in on Baidu. So let's see the trend. Fib-based extension, go here and go here, go here. For example, okay, let me remove this. If you guys think 0.786 at 140, and then we can expect a retrace until 118, and then it'll continue until 157. This is Baidu. This is Baba Alibaba. It's coiling up. I feel like there's so much money to be made. I do not have any Baba stock. I used to hold Baba stock, but not anymore. But based on what I'm seeing, I might enter into Baba, right? So then let's go back to our original stock, Baidu. It's very similar, right? So if you guys see here, it's very similar to Baba, but this is not coiling up. The reason Baba was coiling up because of Apple is in partnership with uh, Alibaba in China for their artificial intelligence on the phones. So, and Baidu, they have self-driving cars, they have their search engine, they make so much money. This is a very cheap stock. If you guys can keep this stock for next 1 to 2 years, you can make at least 200 to 300% on the stock. But right now, we are thinking at least you can make 3 to 5% next week. So it's releasing results. We feel like it'll continue until 120. Then there's a chance of a retrace, and then we'll go to 131. There's a high chance that even Baidu will reach the old highs of 360 or above. But right now, this is what we are seeing. So then let's go to Unity. Unity, we hold so much of Unity in our portfolio. And if you look at here, the one EWT first wave started here, then the second wave, and then third wave all the way until here at $28. Then there was a very deep retrace to almost $17, $18 for no reason. There was no negativity at all. I think market makers are they're just dumping it for no reason. But if you see, it started going up again with the results, I believe, on Thursday. Yes, Thursday, February 20. I believe they will release amazing results, but because there's no reason for not to, right? Because if you see here, they beat the previous one by 54%, 102%, 376%, 103%. This stock's not supposed to be here at all. This stock's supposed to be at this rate. As of today, it should be around $30 to $35, but market makers, they are dumping this stock for no reason. I believe this stock is going towards that anywhere between 30 to 33 to $50. But right now, based on the chart that we are seeing, um, since the retrace is complete, I feel that the stock is going towards 33. That's what we are seeing on Unity. So next stock we want to talk about DKNG, all the slot machines and all the online gamers, and you guys know what is DKNG. So here is the chart. It started here all the way at $29, then first wave, second wave here at 34, then it's third wave at 54. But I don't think the third wave is ending here. The reason I put the third wave ending here is because that's they released results uh, on Friday, I believe, on Thursday, and then the stock went up so much, almost 15%. But if you look at the results, they did not beat results, right? So if you see it's a negative 68%, and even the uh, previous quarters, negative 45%. I mean, 45%, not surprised. So, but for some reason, market makers and even liking this because of the guidance or whatever. I did not look into fundamentals on this, but I'm looking at the chart right now. It's purely on chart basis, what I'm seeing on EWT. I believe either it can go to all the way to 59, and then there might be a retrace to 44, and then it can continue above that. But right now there is a chance of a retrace 53 to 44, and then it'll continue to the 5. So any of this possible, just keep an eye. But it is in the three wave to continue, but I don't know until there is a red candle. I cannot tell that it started retracing. But right now, it's all the green candle. It's very strong. The volume, see the volume, guys, is so high. I don't think it'll retrace right now, but there might be a chance. You never know with market makers. But keep an eye on DKNG. So then we already talked about OPFI on the other day, right? Opportunity Financial. But if you guys looked at my previous video, we told you guys that there's a chance of a retrace. If you look at my previous video, we clearly told you guys do not enter. There's a chance of ending at 3. And if you see, it retrace from there to here, right? So it really retrace 0.5%. There's a good chance to add here. It might even go down all the way to $11 for retrace, right? So, but until we see a green candle, there is no green candle yet. It's still red, right? We need to see the green candle, right? Like here, red, and then there's a green candle with a strong volume. So if there is a green candle with a strong volume, then we can start buying. We already started buying a little bit to check where the stock is going, how it's looking at. We already bought few stocks after we gave you guys an update because we just want to track how the stock is performing. Very few shares, but and I believe the stock is going to new highs all the way to $21. You just keep an eye on OPP, OPFI, Opportunity Financial. Then the last and final stock, SMCI, the monster, right? So if you see here, it started at $20, it went to $20, then ended at 48, then here 27, now it's back to that 48, right? It's 46, 48, right? So it is right now at that resistance. Once it crosses this resistance, there is a chance that this stock can go all the way to 113 or 93. Don't quote me on this, guys. Right now, I'm just showing you guys what I'm seeing. 1, 2, if it is 1 and 2, it's just starting the third wave. Third wave is a huge wave in AWT. So there is a reason that it can go to any of these numbers, 78, 97, 113. So once it reaches and then I see a retrace, then I can move this 3 to that level, right? Right now, we are thinking there's a chance of going to 113. then there'll be a retrace of 78, and then the 5-way will end at 139, right? So it's an amazing company. They are doing Blackwell servers for NVDA and with the specifically liquid cooling, right? Dell is doing all the other servers, H200, H300 semiconductors for NVDA, but specifically SMCI is doing all the liquid cooling Blackwell servers for NVDI, and I believe um, they already gave a preliminary results, and market is liking it. So they already upgrades, and I believe there are some upgrades at $65 and $70 already. This stock is going towards that. I just keep an eye. It's a very risky stock. Be careful. Within few weeks, this can go to $100, and then it can go down to $63 or $70. So you have to have a strong heart to have it to hold this stock. Very be careful. We already hold several of the stock. We made lots of money on SMCI. We will continue to hold this stock and see where it lands. That's all for today, guys, and hope you guys will keep an eye on these stocks and see if you guys can enter. That's all it for today. And if you did not click that bell icon, please click that bell icon so that we can come up with great content. Thank you, guys.